In Photoshop 24.5, how to load loads of files into layers in a single document. Go to File and down to Scripts, and then down here to Load Files into Stack. Select that. Now unfortunately, this loads it into a completely new document. I must admit, I wish it had an option to actually load it into the existing one. It doesn't work that way. You can use Files, so you can select individual files, or you can go for Folder. I'm just going to go with Folder, and you can browse for those. So Browse, and here's a folder. Just going to go with that one, click Open. And you can see all the files in that folder are now added into this long drop down. Well, what you can do, sort by name, because you notice here the order's slightly odd. I've got 10, 11 up here. Sort by name. So now they're sorted. You can also browse and of course add more if you wish. You can also add open files. So if you've got some files along the top, along here say, lots of other ones, you can load those as well. But it has a tendency to not particularly work well because it flattens the images. I'm not going to use these. I'm just going to click OK. As mentioned, it creates a completely new document. So you see it processing there. And now it's generated all the layers. So all those files that it can load have been loaded there. What you can also do is select them all. So you can select every single one of those. And now you can just go up here, blending modes. You can run through them. So you go with darken. Of course, the document just gets darker and darker and darker the more. And some of them just end up black. But you can also use lighten, but overlay. You can create some very interesting designs, very abstract designs, very quickly, simply by using this script. And of course, once you've done that, once you've created it, you can always go to Layer, and you can flatten the entire image. Maybe apply filters, etc. You can use this approach with lots of different things. Maybe create a document or set of documents with shapes and designs. Maybe lots and lots of text. Maybe similar images, just slightly moved at different distances, different angles. And you can combine them in multiple ways. And of course, there's millions of other uses.